Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the 6-string major bar chord. 6-string major bar chord. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Now the 6-string major bar chord, we're going to be able to use it all over the fretboard. A major, B major, C major. You can just take that pattern and move that same pattern up and down the fretboard. But first, let me explain to you what that chord is. So this is what it looks like. And this is what it sounds like. Now, for this example, I'm going to play over the G as my root. So on the 6th string, 3rd fret, I'm going to play that note. That's a G note. So I'm going to place this pattern, this chord, over that G note, and it's going to become a G major bar chord, okay? So for this example, we'll use G. And I'm going to take my index finger, and I'm going to lay it across all 6 strings. All 6 strings. And then what I do with my ring finger, again, this is the G major bar chord, I'm going to take my ring finger and place it on the 5th fret, 5th string. Then I'll take my pinky finger and lay it on the 5th fret, 4th string. Then I use my
middle finger
and put it on the 4th fret, 3rd string. And then what happens is, since I have my index finger down on all 6 strings, that index finger will be playing the 6th string on the 3rd fret. And it'll also be playing the 1st and 2nd strings on the 3rd fret. So when you play it all together, it kind of sounds like this. And that's my G major bar chord. But if you understand and you learn your 6-string notes up and down the fretboard, your F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, or B flat, B, C, D flat or C sharp, D, D sharp or E flat, E. If you learn those notes, you can take that same pattern and move it up and down the fretboard. This would be a G. This would be a G, F. This would be an A. So I can take that 6-string major bar chord and move it up and down the fretboard. And again, you want to practice strumming it. And you want to practice playing those notes individually for a nice clean sound. Hey, Mr. G again. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoyed this video on the major 6-string bar chord.